That's video. Okay, you guys, here we go. Today we are working with MBT3 again, which is actually writing the given number in all three forms. Remember, those forms are standard or numerical, expanded, and written. Now, remember, we give you one form and you do it in the other two forms. Now, these problems we're working today, we have zeros. So if you're not seeing a place value, it is 0 today. Remember, the 0 is a placeholder and has value, has no value. No value. 0 has nothing. Remember, I've given you a word bank so you know how to spell all the words correctly. Make sure if you misspell it, go back, check, and spell it correctly. Remember, numbers between 21 and 99 have a hyphen. So let's start off with our first one. We're going to do an expanded form. And do you guys remember what expanded form is? I'm waiting. I think I just heard someone say it. Yes, it's making a mathematical problem. We're going to add. So we're going to go 100 plus, there's no tens, so we'll go plus 8 plus 9/10. Remember, here is a 0. So we do not write it when we do expanded form because it's 0. Now we're going to write it in word form. Remember, if you don't know how to spell something, you go to the word bank. Check it out. So here we go. We have a 100. So I'm going to write 100. I have no tens, so I don't have to write 0 tens. I just write 8. Okay, do you guys remember what the decimal word is? Do I write decimal? You guys are right. I heard someone say it right, and then 9/10. Wow, you guys are good. You picked this up. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up. So now we're going to go to another problem. Today, I know I was going to do all of them, but I need to. We're going to do the next one. Again, we're going from standard form to expanded and written. So let's look at the expanded. Look at this right here. We have a 0. So we have 50 plus 4 plus 6 hundredths because I do not have a tenths. This is where this comes in, so we remember. Here, when we write it out, we do 54. I know you guys just caught me. I forgot my hyphen. There's my hyphen, you guys. And what's that decimal called in word form? Do I write decimal? No, you guys are right. I write and. But because I have no tenths, I can just write 6 hundredths because that is what we have, you guys. Here we go. You guys are doing so good. Let's go to number 3. We're going to go from expanded form to numerical and written. So here we go. I'm going to go look over here and see what we have or see what I'm missing. I'm realizing I have no tenths, 0 tenths. I got to remember this. It's important. So if I write it in numerical form, I write 7 to my decimal point, no tenths. So I've got to write a 0 and a 6. Let's look at written form, you guys. There should be kind of, I don't know how to spell 70. What should I do? You're right. I should go back up and quick check how to spell. So I'm going to quick jump back up, quick look at 70. I see it. I got it. It's okay if I make a mistake because I know you guys are too, and it's okay. Look at that. I had to go check just to make sure. So I'm going to write 70. 2. Oh, I hear you guys. I forgot my hyphen. There you go. Make sure you have your hyphen. And you're right, 6 hundredths. Great job, you guys. You guys talk faster than I can write, but that's okay. Let's try number 4 and see where they kind of put us and tries to confuse us, but we're too smart. We got this. So let's go look. Let me get my color. Okay, here we go. I'm going to look. I have 400. I have plus 9 as 7/10 and 100th. Oh, right here, I have 0 tens. I got to make sure I remember that. So numerical form, I write a 4 for the 100. Oh, that's right, I have 0 tens. I've got to write a 0. Then my 9 and my decimal point, the 7 and the 1. Let's look at what it looks like when we write it in word form. So we write 400. What's great is we don't have to worry about writing a tens because we don't have one. So I just write 9. What is that decimal called again? You guys are right. It is and. And I write 7/10 and 100th. No, you guys are right. Read it as a number. So I'd write 70 hyphen 1. I don't have room, you guys, so I'm going to go down here. Hundreds. You guys are good. Thank you for correcting me. Got to remember that hyphen, huh? So now we're going to go from word form to numerical and expanded. Okay, let's check. There we go. I got it up. Got to be able to see it. So we're going to start off with the numerical form from word form. So I'm going to look. It says 203 and 5/10. 203. Oh, look. I don't see a tens. So I remember there's no tens. So let's go ahead and write this out. 200. So I have a 2. 3. 0 tens. You got to remember that 0, you guys. A 3. 5/10. Oh, I need my decimal. And then a 5 because the tenths is the first one after that decimal. Let's look at expanded form. So I'm going to take that 200. I'm going to just write it out. 200. 3. I'm going to add 3 and 5/10. So 5 over 10, you guys. Reading, doing expanded form from written form, I feel is maybe a tiny bit easier because you just write it the way it's written. And we just put in addition signs. So let's look at this one, you guys. We're also going from word form to numerical and expanded. Here we go. Let's see if we can do this. I know you guys can. I have a feeling I'm going to mess up and you're going to catch me. I'm excited about that. So we're going to write numerical form. We have 500, 20, and 700s. Oh, I'm seeing two things. I'm seeing that we have here 0 ones. And then over here, right here, I don't see any tenths. Oh, I think they were trying to confuse us, but you guys got it. So we have 520, no 1, so I put a 0. And, you're right, that's my decimal. I have 0 tenths. So I'm going to write a 0 and then a 7, because the second place value after the decimal is, you're right, hundredths. So let's go to expanded form. So we have 500. I can write 500. I need to add it. I get to add 20. And I get to add 700ths. Did I do that correctly, you guys? Awesome. Thank you so much for helping me. So ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to quick look. We have 7 through 12 again that I'd like you to practice on. Here's check for understanding. Remember, if you need anything, go ahead and ask questions. I am here for you. I do these for you. So have a good day. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.